how to download and install Dropbox application. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the Dropbox application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So first you have to open up to Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Dropbox. Once you search for that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap on install option at the right hand side and it will start to download. It will take a few seconds to minutes, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you install the app, you can either log into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can create a one. And with this app, you can transfer files and you can back up photos also. You can automatically back up your photos and videos over here. And you can also share your content with anyone that you want, even if you don't have a Dropbox account. And here are other so many features of Dropbox. You can simply open it up and explore the features. And after a few minutes, you can see Dropbox application has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open and go for further process. So this is how you download and install Dropbox application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.